Hey Mandi maniacs! So today we will be trying Irish bangers. We've never had them before, and these say original Irish style bangers. And these are ale and onion Irish style bangers. Smoke flavoring added. Very, very cool. These are both obviously Irish foods, so I'm not sure what banger means. To me it looks like a bratwurst, but we will find out. I'm not sure if you normally eat them in buns or not. That's how I plan to try them. I'll probably try a bit of the meat on its own and then in the bun to get a full idea. But yeah, they sound delicious and they are the perfect St. Patrick's Day food. Let's try them out and see what we think. Okay, here are the bangers. This one is the original, and this one is the ale and onion.
Okay, try original first. They don't look like a normal
Hot dog?
hot dog. They're very slimy.
Yeah, I wonder if they'd be better on a grill. You guys, we found out we went to make these and our grill was broken.
The original's not good. This one doesn't look as slimy. They don't have a flavor, and they're slimy.
Not a fan?
No, I would not recommend them.
Maybe they taste better in a bun.
Yeah, I'll try it. Better. Still not. Won't recommend.
No?
No.
Oh, that's so you can try it regular and then in a bun. So the one you're holding now, this back one, is the ale and onion.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, this is what this is.
Yep. I cut off a piece you would try it with and without bun.
Mm. And it's what flavor?
Ale and onion. And then that's what this one is in the piece that you ate.
Okay.
And then this one in the piece is original.
I'm not noticing really much flavor. They're pretty greasy.
Yeah, I noticed they're very oily and greasy.
Very greasy, and the skin is pretty tough. I don't like them. Not that one. Let me try this one. And this one is which flavor?
Original banger.
I like this one better. I didn't get that flavor from the last one.
The ale and onion.
Yeah, I don't know, but honestly, I'm not a fan of these. I prefer a regular bratwurst, American bratwurst. I don't know what you call it, but these bangers, no, I'm not a fan. They're too greasy and the skin is a little tougher and they don't really have all that much flavor other than greasy.
So you wouldn't recommend?
I don't recommend. No.
Okay, I'm going to try them now, and if I'm being honest, I'm really not excited for that because my mom and daughter thought they were disgusting. So anyway, this one right here, along with this piece, I didn't know how you're supposed to eat bangers, so that's why we all tried it as a cut-off piece and then in the bun. Anyway, so this first one right here is the original, and then this one is the ale and onion. So I'll start with the original. Okay. The flavor, I think the flavor is delicious. For me, the texture is unpleasant. I'm used to more of a crisp, less oily, greasy, bratwurst, I guess. These might be great if you, like, cut them up and mix them in a skillet or something. These could be really good, I think. But for me, because then you'd get the kind of the oil in them, would really fry up your other things nicely. So they might be great that way. We could be eating them completely wrong. But for me, this style, It's a bit of a weird texture. The flavor I like, but the texture's weird. Now I'll try the ale and onion. Okay. Would I be able to say that's ale and onion flavored? No, that's not really coming through for me. Honestly, they kind of taste the same to me. Maybe this one has a hint of onion, I guess. And again, the flavor, I don't mind the flavor. It's just the texture that's really unpleasant, at least when you eat them. This style, I think, as you can see, they're very, very oily. Look at that. But anyway, I think they'd be really great in a skillet, because instead of using like butter or cooking oil, you could just use these. They have plenty of oil in them, and maybe that's how they're intended to be eaten. I don't know, guys. If you're familiar with bangers, please leave a comment and let me know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and follow or subscribe. Bye!